Are you looking to broaden your horizons and immerse yourself in a vibrant, diverse culture? Learning Spanish might just be the perfect gateway. With over 580 million speakers worldwide, Spanish is not only one of the most widely spoken languages but also one of the most beautiful and rich in history. Whether you're aiming to enhance your travel experiences, boost your career prospects, or simply enrich your life with a new skill, embarking on the journey of learning Spanish can be both exciting and rewarding. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you get started. 1. Set clear goals. Before diving into your Spanish learning journey, take a moment to define your objectives. Whether you want to achieve conversational fluency, comprehend Spanish literature, or navigate Spanish-speaking countries with ease, establishing clear and achievable goals will provide you with direction and motivation along the way. 2. Immerse yourself. Surround yourself with the Spanish language as much as possible. Watch Spanish movies and TV shows, listen to Spanish music and podcasts, and follow Spanish-speaking influencers on social media. Immerse yourself in the language to familiarize your ears with native pronunciation and rhythm. 3. Start with the basics. Begin your learning journey by mastering the fundamentals of Spanish grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Utilize online resources, textbooks, or enroll in a beginner Spanish course to build a solid foundation. 4. Practice consistently. Like any skill, consistency is key to mastering Spanish. Dedicate a set amount of time each day to practice speaking, listening, reading, and writing in Spanish. Apps like Duolingo, Babbel, and Rosetta Stone can provide interactive exercises to reinforce your learning. 5. Embrace language exchange. Engage in language exchange with native Spanish speakers or fellow learners. Platforms like Tandem or HelloTalk allow you to connect with language partners worldwide, providing valuable opportunities to practice conversation and receive feedback. 6. Immerse yourself in culture. Explore the rich tapestry of Spanish-speaking cultures through literature, cuisine, art, and history. Delve into the works of renowned Spanish authors like Gabriel Garcia Marquez and Pablo Neruda, savor traditional dishes from Spain and Latin America, and immerse yourself in the vibrant festivities of Spanish-speaking countries. 7. Travel and practice. Put your language skills to the test by traveling to Spanish-speaking destinations. Whether it's a weekend getaway to a neighboring Spanish-speaking country or an immersive language immersion program, traveling provides invaluable opportunities to practice Spanish in real-life situations and deepen your cultural understanding. 8. Be patient and persistent. Learning a new language is a journey filled with ups and downs. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. Remember that language acquisition takes time and effort, so stay persistent and committed to your goals. 9. Use technology to your advantage. Leverage technology to enhance your Spanish learning experience. From language learning apps and online courses to language exchange platforms and virtual tutors, there are countless digital resources available to support your learning journey. 10. Stay motivated. Keep your motivation levels high by setting milestones, tracking your progress, and celebrating your achievements. Reward yourself for reaching language goals, whether it's treating yourself to a Spanish-themed movie night or planning a trip to a Spanish-speaking destination. Learning Spanish is a journey filled with discovery, growth, and cultural enrichment. By setting clear goals, immersing yourself in the language and culture, and staying consistent and persistent in your efforts, you'll be well on your way to mastering this beautiful language. Buena suerte a disfruta el viaje. Good luck and enjoy the journey.